Hello everybody, Smilsy back again. I'm back with a Target exclusive basketball break. I got one box of 2017-18 Panini Optic Mega Box. Now, this was $49.99.95, so very expensive box. Has a 50 rated rookie card set in it and some purple parallels, Signature Series Hollow. So, and this is also look for those checkerboard prisms in here. So, ultra rare, pretty expensive, but you get all the good rookies in it. So, can't go too bad wrong with these, I don't think. So let's check it out. Like the ones at Walmart are $35, but you get the red, white, and blue parallel, the red, yellow parallel. I have not opened this one before. Alright, we'll buzz through the set real quick, make sure we got all the highlights. Very cool looking cards. I have to say I like these better than the red and yellow parallels. So they numbered order, 151. Yeah, they are numbered order, so we'll just go through them real quick. We'll be pretty careful. Might grade one or two of these. Jordan Bell. Kuzman. Alright, first half. Let's check out the second half, and then we'll open up the two packs. These are great looking cards. Good job with this set. Donovan Mitchell, there we go. Still in the playoffs, doing well. Monk. Smith Jr. Fox, Tatum, did really well the other night. Lonzo Ball, and Fultz. Alright, very cool. Love those. Alright, got two 4-card packs. Let's see if we can get something cool out of here. More. And we got a rated rookie purple. Come on. Justin Jackson, the Kings. Very cool. So, rated rookie, so I get two rookies that pack. Not bad. Let's see if we can get something cool out of here, please. Oh, what we got going on here? We got Drummond, TJ Leaf rookie Kings, and a Tony Bradley base rookie. So I did get two rookies per pack, one purple in the packs, and then the 50 base set. Very cool. I think it's pretty good value, considering all the big name rookies are in there. They're great looking cards, so pretty fun break. That's it for this 17-18 Target Mega Box, guys. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.